Dear Goinkans, this is in reference to the sixth chapter, Factors and Multiples, given on your math side book. The objective of this topic is to make you able to learn about prime factorization using factor tree method. In our last video lectures, we have already studied what factors are, what prime numbers are, and what composite numbers are. In this video lecture, we are going to study what prime factorization is and how we can find prime factorization of a number. Writing a number as a product of its factors is called as factorization, and when those factors are prime numbers, the factorization is called as prime factorization. That is, a factorization in which every factor is a prime number is called as prime factorization of that number. For example, we have to find the prime factorization of 48 using factor tree method. Let's see how we can do that. 48 is a composite number, so we'll factorize it. Taking the smallest prime number, that is 2, 48 is divisible by 2 as the digit at one's place is an even number. So, what should be multiplied to 2 so that our product is equal to 48? Obviously, 2, 24 are 48. So, 48 is factorized into 2 and 24. Where 2 is a prime number, so we'll encircle it, and 24 is a composite number, so we'll further factorize it. So now again, taking the smallest prime number, that is 2, 24 is divisible by 2. Therefore, what should be multiplied to 2 so that our product is equal to 24? Obviously, 2, 12 are 24. So 24 is factorized into 2 and 12. Where 2 is a prime number, we'll encircle it, and 12 is a composite number, we'll further factorize it. Again, taking the smallest prime number, that is 2, 12 is divisible by 2. Therefore, what should be multiplied to 2 so that our product is equal to 12? Obviously, 2, 6 are 12. Therefore, 12 is factorized into 2 and 6, where 2 is a prime number, so we'll encircle it, and 6 is a composite number, so we'll further factorize it. Again, taking the smallest prime number, that is 2. 2, 3 are 6. Therefore, 6 is factorized into 2 and 3, where 2 is a prime number, so we'll encircle it, and 3 is also a prime number, so we'll encircle 3 as well. So we can see that a tree is formed, and at the bottom of the tree, both the factors are prime numbers, so no further factorization takes place. So this tree is also known as factor tree, and this method is known as factor tree method. Therefore, we can say that the prime factorization of 48 are all the numbers that have been encircled, which are the prime numbers. Therefore, prime factorization of 48 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So, a prime factorization is written as the product of its factors, and all the factors are prime numbers. So this is how prime factorization of a number is done using factor tree method. Practice some of the questions yourself. Thank you.